The application form is broken down into sections which can be opened and closed by clicking on the heading. This form has only 2 sections, but most forms will have more sections than that. Please note that clicking on headings doesn't save any information that's been entered. Fields marked with red asterisks are mandatory, and the applicant will not be able to submit the form unless they have been completed. Each section has a traffic light, indicating its readiness. Grey indicates that a section has not been started, red indicates that there is a mistake such as omitting required field, and green shows that the section has been completed acceptably. At the end of each section is a Save and Continue button. Clicking this saves the section contents, checks the fields, updates the traffic light, and opens the next section. The final section on this form is the Employer section. The questions here are all defined by the employer, which gives an opportunity to collect any information that makes it easier to process the application. This section will appear for all forms for all universities. Only when all sections are green will the form be ready to submit. Clicking Save and Continue moves on to the final stage of the application process. A summary of all the information entered on the form is displayed. Scrolling to the bottom of this, the applicant clicks Next, which brings them to the Terms and Conditions screen. If the student agrees to the terms and conditions, they need to check the box, and the Submit button is enabled. Clicking this submits the form, sending the application on its way to the next institution.